and welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be beneficial for my viewers and subscribers to do a review on the AliExpress wig that I bought last year. It feels so good to say last year, which was actually a couple months ago. But yes, I low-key shame to show this wig. Like, dog. This is what the wig looks like. It is so nasty. Look at it. Oh my god. Look at this shit. Conditioning the hair, not detangling the hair. Like, look at the front of the wig. Look at this. Look at it. I am so sorry, wig. Like, I feel so ashamed right now. Like, the wig's so tangled up. So tangled up. I feel terrible. Yeah, the back matted up. The wig is just, it's like probably saying F you. The wig is not with the shits. Watch videos about the boiling method. I am going to do it the Sophiology way, where she uses the Avanti silicone mix. I used it on my natural hair and it wasn't the biz naive. So when I saw everybody doing like that boiling method and their wigs and their weave come back to life, I'm like, yeah, good thing I have this in the cupboard because I wasn't about to use it on my real hair again. So I am going to do that. I'm going to boil the wig and use this silicone mix. Yeah, stay tuned to see how the Sophiology method worked for my wig. Boom, boom, boom. Just adding the water, you know. Like I'm about to cook some pasta.
Twerk. Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk.
This is the hair in its final state after letting it air dry for a day. The hair is really soft, but I don't know what happened to the hair, but like one side has some waves left, and then look at this side, super flat. Like, I still don't think it was a waste of $100. This wig is still pushing, and actually like boiling it, you know, the boiling method worked with the wig. It's easy to manage now. It's easy to get in there. The wig did shed a little bit, but as far as like big clumps falling out, no. It did it did get matted a lot in the back, right where the last comb is, at the right where the rest of your kitchen is. Now, where the back comb is, it did get knotted up a bit. So I have to detangle that, but that could be because of how I take care of the wig or lack thereof. I don't know. But I'm gonna go flat iron it and see if it can be flat ironed if they'll stay straight. We gonna see. But this side already on its way to straightness. This side, this look like the healthy side, and this is the unhealthy side. What happened? Like, where did I go wrong?
Hey, who that? Who that? She poppin'.
I prefer it straight now. Like, what was I thinking before? Like, ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all see that? Oh, I like it now. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and support your girl. Hey, you remember to bring that good vibes. Vibing out 2018, okay? Okay.